Here I have Redmi A1 Plus, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you have to find the button Screen Recorder. So by holding your finger on it, you can access some of its settings. For example, you can change video resolution, you can change video quality, orientation, sound source. You can enable or disable fixed frame rate. You can select frame rate here, or you can just set automatic frame rate. You can enable lock screen to end. You can show touch gestures and show button taps. So in order to start recording, tap on this button once. This kind of menu appears. So from here you can access these settings too, and you can also access folder with recordings in gallery. So by tapping red button, recording starts. So let's record some of our screen. So when you're done recording, just tap on this red button once again, and after that recording will be saved to the gallery, to the album, screenshots and screen recordings in the screen recordings section. And here it is. When red button, recording starts. So let's record some of our screen. So when you're done recording, just... And from here you can share, edit, favorite, delete your recording and some other stuff from this list. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.